Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making Afghani Malai Boti. For this recipe, you will need half a cup of cream and half a cup of yogurt, 1.5 teaspoons of white pepper, 3 tablespoons of green chili, and 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, and 2 pounds of boneless chicken. We're going to start off by combining all of the ingredients together and mixing them very well. I'm also going to be adding 1 teaspoon of salt. You guys can add according to taste. Lastly, we're going to add 3 tablespoons of lemon juice and half a cup of almond paste. You guys can either use almonds or cashews. In order to make the paste, you just have to soak up half a cup of almonds in warm water for about an hour. After that, remove the skin and grind it into a paste. Once everything is mixed in together, marinate the mixture for 3 to 4 hours. Now we're going to start cooking the Malai Boti on the grill. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil and place the chicken on the grill. Allow the chicken to cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. After 3 to 4 minutes, you can flip the chicken to the other side when you see it's about halfway cooked. The chicken is now cooked all the way. We're going to remove it on a plate. Now I'm going to add the second batch of the chicken onto the grill. I have some of the remaining marinade in the bowl, which I'm just going to pour over the chicken. Once the chicken is cooked, I'm going to add 1 onion and 1 tomato. We're just going to allow the onion and the tomato to grill. I'm also adding 5 to 6 green chilies cut in half. After 1 or 2 minutes, you can remove the chicken onto the plate. And here you have it. This is how you make Afghani Malai Boti. Make sure you guys try out this recipe and let me know how it was in the comments below. I'm serving my chicken today on a traditional Afghani naan. If you like my video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, like the video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. For all of my subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing. Also, don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. And as always, see you in my next video.